I know that we are familiar with the story of Jacob and his 12 sons, di ba? Yung 12 tribes. And we are also aware that Joseph was the favorite son of Jacob. Why is that? Kasi nga, Joseph was the first son of Rachel, yung wife na love talaga ni Jacob or Israel, di ba? But then, why did God specifically the tribe of Judah to rule over Israel? Kung si Joseph pala yung mabait doon sa mga sons. Kasi 'di ba yung ibang sons na yon, they connived para isell si Joseph because of jealousy, 'di ba? And that's the reason then that Joseph became the ruler of Egypt, na naging reason kaya hindi namatay sa gutom yung mga kapatid niya and si Jacob sa time ng famine, 'di ba? So bakit yung tribe ni Judah ang magre-rule sa kanila? So bakit ko nasabi na yung tribe ni Judah ang magre-rule? It's sa 1 Chronicles 28:4. For he has chosen the tribe of Judah to rule. Tapos sa Judges 1:2, after the death of Joshua, God chose the tribe of Judah to take the lead in conquering the nations who were living in the land promised to the 12 tribes. Tapos sa Genesis 49:10, sinabi din that God chose David to hold the scepter, a symbol of kingship that would always remain in the tribe of Judah. Diba? And another one sa Hosea 11:12, Ephraim compasseth me about with lies, and the house of Israel with deceit. But Judah yet ruleth with God, and is faithful with the saints. Si Ephraim ay yung anak ni Joseph, kapatid niya si Manasseh. So, diba, bakit tribe ni Judah ang mag-rule? It's because, first is, yung favorite na king ni God, na si David, ay from the tribe of Judah. And most importantly, yung Messiah, which is Jesus Christ, ay from the lineage of David. Kaya special si Judah, yung tribe ni Judah. So, for those who are not aware, kaya ang tawag kina Jesus ay mga Jews kasi sila ay galing sa tribe ni Judah. So, sila yung mga Jews. Pag sinabi mo namang Israelites, sila yung mga 12 tribes. So, kasama na yung mga anak ni na Reuben, Simeon, Zebulon, na Joseph, yan. So, pag sinabi mo namang Hebrews, from Abraham pa yon. So, Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, and yung mga Israelites na kasama yung mga Jews. So, di ba nakakatuwa? By reading the scripture, we are now discovering kung ano yung difference ng Hebrews sa Israelites and Jews. No? So, hindi lahat ng Hebrews ay Israelites at hindi lahat ng Israelites ay Jews. Pero, lahat ng Jews ay Israelites. Lahat ng Israelites ay Hebrews. So, yun. Thank you po for watching. I hope may natutunan kayo. Bye! God bless you. God bless us po.